toward Roxas Highway.
Yeah.
And I see a lizard.
A lizard?
Uh,
Grass.
don't go there because it might be.
Zach, come here. It's just next to me. Dear si Zach. Thank you. Go, Olivia. Tabi ka lang sa akin.
No, I'm holding my hand.
One more, one, two. Zaki, look.
Dear, itatapong ko na to.
Okay, it's on, still on video. Scary, like the eyes are black or...
It's a picture of Zach.
Zaki,
How do the otters eat?
look at the eyes of the
Eyes,
ostrich.
baby.
Denise.
Yeah. Wala ka picture. Picture naman, baby.
Touch it again.
Parang hindi nila kasi nakukuha, mami. You're fine, Ate Via.
Okay.
Why is it not moving?
Knock on the window. See? It's moving. Moving,
There's
oh.
another one at the end. Ang rami nila actually.
Oh, look, I found another one.
The other one then is not an album.
Looks like their heart. Mami, look oh.
So giant.
Zachary, stay here.
Black pala.
Zach, look.
You are upside down. Oh, so fluffy. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ang galing.
Video mo picture. For ano?
I'm Moana. Badung, badung.
Nagdurahan siya.
Okay, ako naman next.
Another monkey eat.
The bus.
Olivia?
The bus.
It's like, yay!
So, malayo mo eh. No, it's all good. All good. Give the...
Go. Good job!
Good job, Zaki.
I know that. What did
And
you say?
look, see, they have their new skin now.
Yeah. What do they do with their old skin?
They peel off.
They eat it.
They peel it off.
They eat it.
Oh.
They move their skin out like this.
What did...
Where?
Are they supposed to be sleeping right? Hi guys.
Hi guys, I got poop.
How's it going?
Oh, this is amazing.
It's Cacopony. Cicadas. What? I guess.
Oh, you officially just said amen.
Yeah, I did. Look at it. Like this, oh.
No, look.
Look. All of it.
Smiling mommy.
Boy,
Dad.
you have to make eye-to-eye contact.
You're so weird.
Oh my god.
Ito ata yung zipline, ma'am. Bully.
The girl.
You're fine, anak. No, that's whatever they...
Hindi siya umanda.
Hindi lang kumain.
Gutom lang yan. Yes, go. I'm getting sweaty of this.
Moody.
Sabi kasi pwesto ka.
Kuya, kuya, kuya.
Picture nga daw.
Oh. Nakatakot ka yun.
Can you pass the way?
Tukan-tuwa.
Wow!
Tap mo yung right foot mo doon. Cool. Kung
Dati
magmadali.
ganun talaga.
Sige ma'am, picture po muna. Takboy mo kaya kuya?
Dagdag.
Kung tumatakbo. Takbo mo na siya. At mo siya pwede mag-isa na. Meron pre?
That was so fun,
Picture mo na ma'am.
How was the experience, Jack?
Good.
It was fun.
Never mind.
Yummy.
It's really cold because I can eat. My pen is cold.
Real time na. Para it's gonna be super yummy.
No, I just